Hey everybody, Scott here for the Helix channel. It is Monday and today I'm continuing on with the Punk Rock Volume 1 preset package. And today it is God Save the Queen by the Sex Pistols. You can play pretty much any Sex Pistols songs with this sound, so that's why I didn't have a Sex Pistols preset. Really cool sound, very, Les Paul through a Marshall kind of thing. And pushing the expression forward will give you the lead sound. Shall we? There you have it, everybody. Another preset for the Punk Rock Volume 1 preset package. I'm over here today. I was over there last week. I'm going to go between these two speakers because it's a nice line of sight. You can see all kinds of records. I got some new records today. Frampton Comes Alive. Open it up. It's got one of the wrong records in it. It's missing the one with all the good guitar shit. Lame. And Double. Some Sophistopop for you. Good stuff. So, I'll be back tomorrow with more punk rock. I would really love to start doing more than one of these a day, but I've been dealing with a sick cat and trying to get him to take his medicine. Holy shit, that's a full-time fucking job. I'm telling you. And I had to go all around town trying to find some special food for him today, and fuck. I'm just saying. I wish I had more time to work on this stuff. So, but, it gets done when it gets done. And you guys can, have fun watching, I suppose. So, I'll see you tomorrow. And until then, rock on.